Disney magic is a term that we hear often, and the magic is undeniable, but where does it come from? The magic does not just materialize like you may think. So let's take a look a little deeper. But before we get started, if you're not already a subscriber, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give a thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. Disney cast members go out of their way to make your day special, from a simple smile to a happy birthday, or help giving you directions to that attraction but you just cannot find on your own. Food vendors go out of their way to do the best they can to make the foods that you cannot go to Disney without. They often get very little thank yous for all they do. Disney transportation workers have extremely long days, helping guests get to the park, to the hotels, or even Disney Springs. And people will always talk about anything that does not go as they want, but seldom do they talk about all the awesome people that they encounter. Those who work at the stores, at security, or any other of numerous roles that the cast members play deserve all the respect and thanks that they can get, and they should get it daily. And let's not forget those who bring the characters to life. They have the unique opportunity to make someone's whole vacation better by the way they interact with everyone, children and adults alike. The magic comes from each and every cast member that we meet, from the moment we arrive to the moment that we leave. But did you know that you can also be part of the magic? Every time you interact with someone, be it a cast member, another guest, or even those difficult and rude folks that we all encounter, you have the opportunity to give a smile or an uplifting word. And in doing so, you become part of the magic that we know and love as Disney World. Remember that Disney wants you to have the best possible trip and to come back again and again over the years. They want you to be safe and enjoy your trip in every way possible. So please be sure to give them the respect that they deserve, the way they go out of their way, above and beyond, to give you the same. And until next time, be sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and get out and live your next adventure.